Okay, this is page 197, number 33, and I'm looking at this polynomial equation that needs to be factored because right now it's written as combining terms, and it's already set equal to 0, but I need to factor the left side, and as much as I'd like to find a tricky way to do this, I just can't. I really don't see one. This u minus 2 is not the same as this u. It's not in any kind of quadratic form, so what you really have to do is take that u minus 2 to the third power and multiply it out. And then you'll have your minus 3u plus 8 equals 0. So I just wrote this in expanded form with the u minus 2 as a factor 3 times. So I'm going to multiply these two together first. So that's going to be a u squared minus 2u minus 2u, so minus 4u plus 4. And that's still going to have to be multiplied by this u minus 2. And then eventually, when I get those terms, I can combine it with these guys. So first multiplying u by each of these, I get u to the third minus 4u squared plus 4u. And then I'm going to multiply the negative 2 by each of these. So that'll be a negative 2u squared plus 8u minus 8. And now I can come back in and add in my negative 3u and my positive 8 equals 0. So I've got one long string, and I'll simplify it, clean it up, and get it into standard form. So I just have the single u to the third. And then on the u squareds, I have a negative 4u squared and a negative 2u squared, so negative 6u squared. On the u's, I have a positive 4u, a positive 8u, and a negative 3. So 4 and 8 is 12, and a negative 3. That gets me to a positive 9u. And then the negative 8 and the positive 8 cancel each other out, so that's gone, and I have 0. Well, now it doesn't look so bad. And so I'm in standard form. My highest power of the variable is a 3, so I'm going to be looking for 3 roots, 3 solutions. So on this polynomial right here, I want to get out that common factor. Factor out the GCF, which is a u. And then I have u squared minus 6u plus 9 equals 0. And you can probably see these are both perfect squares. Square root of u squared is a u. Square root of 9 is a 3. If I multiply those together and double it, I get this middle term. So that looks like this. However, you could figure it out the other way. What this really means, u minus 3 squared, of course, is u minus 3 and u minus 3. So when I'm writing it out in expanded form, there's my 3 linear factors of u. So the value of u that makes that factor 0, therefore the equation true, is a 0. The value of u that makes this factor a 0 is a 3. That would make the equation true. And the same with this one. So on this, we see that we have the solutions of 0, and we have 3 counted twice as a double root. So 1, 2, 3 solutions as promised by the highest power of u. And that is it.